Gardening is amazing. It's healthy, sustainable, and fresh food from a garden always tastes great. But it isn't perfect. Indoor or outdoor, there's a lot to deal with. So we made a better way. Introducing iHarvest. iHarvest is different. It's a beautiful, hassle-free indoor garden that grows and displays up to 30 plants and vegetables in only 2.5 square feet of space. A vertical design maximizes room and displays your plants like a lush painting that you can eat. Now you can have a full vegetable garden in practically any corner of your house or apartment and have it look incredible. iHarvest grows plants 30 to 50% faster and bigger than traditional methods, so you'll be able to harvest fruits and vegetables bigger, sooner, and much more often than any typical garden. Get a full harvest in weeks and enjoy fresh produce in any and every season. Because it's a fully self-contained indoor system, iHarvest uses 0 herbicides, 0 pesticides, and generates 0 waste. Plus, iHarvest is easy to use. Simply place the seeds in the net cups, fill with water and nutrients, and watch your plants bloom and grow. The lights and watering cycle are fully automated, so you don't have to worry. iHarvest trellis system supports any hanging or grasping plants, while the energy-efficient LED lamps highlight your garden's natural beauty with a stunning full-spectrum array of light that your plants love. iHarvest can save you $1,000 a year on groceries, while also saving you the time of running to the market whenever you crave fresh produce. And did you know indoor gardening can help brighten your mood, lower your risk of illness, and improve your concentration? From lettuce to tomatoes and more, iHarvest lets you grow the perfect garden at home beautifully, without hassle or waste. Please back our campaign now and be one of the first to experience gardening at its finest. Fresh, delicious, beautiful. iHarvest. Let's grow together.
If you've ever grown your own food, you know that grocery store produce can't even compare to homegrown in terms of taste and freshness. But it's not easy to grow your own food. A lot of people just don't have the time to tend to a garden, or they don't have space for one. That's why we've created a way for people to grow their own food right in their home with 0 effort. This is the NanoFarm. It'll grow fresh produce for you. Just choose what you'd like to grow. We'll mail you a plant pad that has seeds and nutrients. Fill the NanoFarm's tray with water. Put in your plant pad. Push start and walk away. No need for checking up or watering. In 3 to 6 weeks, the harvest light will come on and you're ready to enjoy your fresh produce. Harvest it all at once or as you need it. When you're done, toss the plant pad. Throw the tray in the dishwasher and you're ready for a new plant pad. We already have a large selection of plant pads with more varieties being added every month. You can grow veggies, herbs, and microgreens from all over the world. Each plant pad can grow anywhere from a few plants to hundreds of plants, depending on the variety. We're proud to say that all of our seeds are organic, and the produce you'll grow is 100% pesticide-free. Like a garden, the NanoFarm is scalable. By stacking multiple NanoFarms, you can grow exactly the amount of food you need. The NanoFarm's modular design allows you to build your urban farm to suit your space.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Ruwan. We're the ones behind the NanoFarm, and we're ready to bring this product to market.
For over a year, we've been testing dozens of varieties of plant pads and perfecting our system. The design of the NanoFarm has changed quite a bit, incorporating feedback from early customers and beta testers. We're all finished with product design, engineering, sourcing, and testing of the NanoFarm, and we even found a manufacturer in the US to make it. With quotes in hand, we understand the cost to produce a NanoFarm, and we have a strict manufacturing timeline.
Everything is ready for us to go into production, but we have to produce in volume to make the NanoFarm affordable. That's where you come in. With your support, we can bring the NanoFarm to everyone. Help us bring farming back to where it started. Home.
Three years ago, we launched our first product on Kickstarter. We were successfully funded, and thanks to our backers, we have now shipped 10,000 units. At Butanium, we are passionate about creating products that simplifies urban gardening. We want everyone to be able to grow their own indoor garden, green thumbs or not. We are excited to now be back on Kickstarter with our most capable product yet. We call it the Butane Vega.
We have listened to a lot of user feedback and have been testing new ways to make it easier to grow your own herbs and vegetables at home.
Butane Vega automatically waters your plants for you, and the water level is clearly displayed at the front. You can also keep track of your Vega in the Butanium app, so you never forget to refill it.
In every step of the growing process, we want to have your back. In Vega, you can grow up to 4 plants. Instead of soil, they grow in a porous growing medium that makes it possible to water them several times per day. This is how to get started. Add the growing medium and plant the seeds. Fill the water reservoir and add the included nutrients. Butanium will now take care of the plant for you.
People want to know what they eat. It's so enjoyable to have it straight in your kitchen, always fresh. Butane Vega features a built-in growing light that you can adjust in height as the plants are growing. You can also schedule when you want the light to be turned on and off. Rasmus, what do you say is our vision of Butane?
Our vision is to bring out the farmer in everyone, that expert grower inside you.
With the Butane Vega, you will be a better person.
So to make this product a reality, we once again need your help. Please support us here on Kickstarter.
Let's make the Butane Vega happen together.
Meet Herbert, your very own vertical farm for fresh chilies, mint, basil, chives, strawberries, you name it, Herbert can grow it. We created Herbert for you, because we wanted to make it possible for everyone to grow their own food. Doesn't matter if you don't have a lot of space, time, or even if you don't have a green thumb. In Herbert, you can grow up to 15 plants at the same time, and you can harvest them whenever you need it. This way, you can reduce your food waste too. And the best thing is, you know what's in your food. No GMO, no pesticides, no herbicides, because you're growing everything at home. Plants in Herbert grow directly in water. Growing this way is called hydroponics, and it makes planting less messy and consumes around 90% less water than growing plants in soil. And with our in-house developed LED technology, which mimics sunlight, you can grow fresh vegetables, herbs, and strawberries all year round. And with a simple swipe in our app, you can change the light settings to suit your own needs. In Herbert, you can produce around 80 to 90 heads of lettuce every year. Growing hydroponically yields 40% more harvest than growing with traditional farming methods. That's a fresh head of lettuce every 4 to 5 days.
For 3 years, we've been installing and optimizing hydroponic systems into restaurants and offices. And with your help, we can bring professional gardening into everyone's home. So please, support us and share it on your network.
Because there's nothing better than sharing a dinner with family and friends. A dinner that you not only cooked by yourself, but that you harvested as well.
Produce wrapped in plastic and shipped across the world has a big environmental impact. And supermarket vegetables lose up to half their nutrient content by the time they reach the shelves. The city life means most of us have neither the time nor the space to grow our own food. That's why we've decided to pack all this into this.
Bottle Farm turns your rubbish into a beautiful indoor farm suited to modern life. Now you can grow all sorts of delicious, healthy produce at home. From herbs like basil and mint to leafy greens like lettuce and rocket, even tomatoes and chilies. It works using soilless hydroponic technology, which allows the plants to grow fast and without regular watering. It's designed with 2 orientations, so it can hang or sit anywhere you have space. These stands hold the bottle in place. If it's going on a window, slot in the suction pads. The grow baskets are designed to hold the shape of any bottle and provide a home for these grow pods. Made from sustainable ground coconut husks, this is where the seeds take root. Powdered plant fuel provides all the micronutrients needed for quick and healthy growth. The grow clips give your taller plants extra support as they grow. Pick between a range of grow packs when you're ready to grow again. In the UK alone, 15 million plastic bottles get thrown away every day. Bottle Farm gives them a new life. It's made from over 95% recycled material. We're a small group of physicists and designers, and we've been hard at work developing prototypes, then testing, breaking and redesigning. We've been through many iterations and arrived at a product that's both functional and attractive.
We've partnered with experienced UK manufacturers and taken time to develop a production process which is sustainability focused. We're also committing to offset 100% of our carbon footprint. With your support, we're ready to bring Bottle Farm to life.